Hey there. Today we are looking into a critical aspect of your Amazon business, managing unsold inventory. I am Akhil Suresh Nair and the founder and CEO of Xena Intelligence. As an Amazon seller, effectively managing inventory levels is a crucial to avoid overstocking and preventing stockouts. But what happens when market demands fluctuates or predictions go awry? You end up with unsold inventory. Unsold inventory refers to products that haven't been sold within a specific time frame. These items can tie up your capital and affect your overall profitability. Amazon's fulfillment centers aren't long-term storage solutions. Old inventory incurs monthly storage fees and long-term storage fees for items stored over 180 days. This not only adds to your costs but also slows down your business growth. So, how do you tackle unsold inventory? First, let's look at how you can view and manage it in Seller Central. Navigate to Inventory, Inventory Planning, FBA Inventory Age to find your oldest unsold inventory. Sorting by inventory age or estimated LTSF helps identify long-standing inventory. Now, let's explore effective strategies for dealing with unsold Amazon inventory. First is to optimize your listings. Enhance your product listing with compelling descriptions, high quality images, and relevant keywords to improve visibility and attract potential buyers. Second is to explore alternative sales channels. Consider selling your unsold inventory on platforms like eBay or Etsy to reach different customer bases. Third is to leverage Amazon's outlet and warehouse deals. Utilize Amazon's outlet and warehouse deals sections to offer discounted prices on your unsold inventory. The fourth is to partner with liquidation companies or wholesalers who specialize in buying and reselling unsold inventory. The fifth option is to consider donating unsold inventory to charitable organizations, supporting communities in need and generating positive PR for your business. Or the sixth option is to adjust your pricing to attract potential buyers using repricing softwares or Seller Central's managed pricing page. If you have a good relationship with your supplier, explore returning unsold inventory for a refund or negotiating alternative arrangements. In conclusion, unsold inventory is a common challenge for Amazon sellers, but it can be effectively managed with the right strategies. At Xena Intelligence, we offer specialized services like inventory forecasting to help you predict future demand accurately. This allows you to optimize inventory levels and adjust your pricing and restocking strategies, leading to improved profitability and long-term success. If you need further guidance or have any questions about inventory management or running a successful Amazon business, reach out to us at our team at Xena. We are here to help you navigate the challenges and maximize the potential of your e-commerce venture. Thanks for watching and do not forget to follow us for more insights from Xena Intelligence.